Welcome to your Friday afternoon weather update from the Met Office. It's very mild out there and for some, very gusty as well. The bigger picture shows low pressure heading its way across Iceland, a big area of high pressure dominating to the south. We're kind of between the two, and in here we call this a warm sector between the warm and the cold front. And we've got some very mild air sitting across the UK, but the isobars are pretty closely packed as well, and they're bouncing over the hills, producing some strong gusts to the lee of the hills. So very blustery over parts of northern England, southeast Scotland, also pretty windy across northwestern Scotland, where that weather front is producing outbreaks of rain, which is spreading into Northern Ireland as well. So very damp here this afternoon. Some rain at times over the hills and mountains of Wales and western England, but most of England and Wales dry, and it's in the west with these brisk west-southwesterly winds that we see a few breaks developing in the cloud, and a bit of sunshine could poke through. And with a bit of sunshine, because we're in the mild air, temperatures could easily get up to 13, 14, maybe even 15 Celsius, even where it's cloudy, temperatures of 11 or 12 above average for the first part of February. Now, as we go through this evening, we'll continue to see outbreaks of rain trickling south across Northern Ireland into parts of northwest England and southern Scotland. Heavy showers will zip in on a brisk wind over northern Scotland. Much of the south will stay dry and cloudy, and will stay in the mild air here as well. So temperatures across much of England and Wales, certainly in urban areas, could well stay in double figures. It will start to turn a little colder further north, but even here, still reasonably mild for the early part of February. Saturday morning then sees some sunshine for southern Scotland, eastern Scotland, sunshine and showers for western Scotland. Quite a lot of cloud for England and Wales. Particularly in the west, outbreaks of rain could turn out to be quite a damp day across a good chunk of Wales. Some of that rain at times may just push towards the Midlands, perhaps even into East Anglia, but much of northern England will stay dry and bright with some sunshine, and much of the south will stay dry but drab with thick cloud, and we'll still have the mild air in here, so quite a contrast up and down the land. Colder air across Scotland with that brisk wind. 8 or 9 Celsius will feel colder than that, but in the south again we could see some places getting into the teens. By the time we get to Saturday evening, that rain may just start to edge back a little further north. There'll still be plenty of showers packing into western parts of Scotland. We may see some more rain and drizzle just trickling into the southwest as well. There's a bit of uncertainty about the position of this line of rain. It's all tied in with this front, which pushes back further north as we go through Sunday, and will reintroduce the milder air pushing back north into Northern Ireland, Northern England, and by the end of Sunday actually across most of Scotland as well. So it will be turning warmer once more as the warmer air pushes in, but that weather front will also bring the return of rain back to Northern Ireland on Sunday, into northwest England and much of Scotland. The rain could build up quite a bit through Sunday night and into Monday. Something we're keeping a close eye on. Further south, there'll be some patchy rain over the hills, but again, much of southern England, East Anglia will just stay dry and cloudy. The winds will start to pick up once more on Sunday too, so it could get quite blustery. Again, pretty mild for the majority, double digits across the board. Some signs of things turning a little colder, particularly across the north as we go through next week. So do keep up to date with the forecast. The best way to do that, of course, is to hit subscribe on our YouTube channel.